What's up YouTube? This is EvoGrip and today I'd like to talk about the new Swiss Army knife or SAK of mine. Since the introduction of my SAK collection is one of my more popular videos, back then I was not too satisfied with the one Wenger Swiss Army knife that I owned at the time, so I thought I'd give the company a second chance to convince me. After all, they are, or at least were, the official supplier of pocket knife for the Swiss Army, so they can't be all that bad. So I checked the Wenger product line and ended up buying this Wenger EvoGrip S17. First thing that catches the eye are the ergonomically shaped and rubberized handle scales. These do provide a very comfortable grip. If you use the tools on the side where the blade is located, it's would be this one. I'm going to show you. That being only the blade and the can opener. If you use the tools on the other side of the knife, namely the wood saw and the scissors and the bottle cap opener, the finger grooves don't actually line up with your hand. Even worse, the lever for disengaging the locking mechanism is quite in the way. One would say at least it has a locking mechanism. Yes, that's right. Wenger offers a back lock on their regular sized pocket knives. Victorinox doesn't. But to be honest, I'm not sure if that is an advantage or not, because Swiss Army knives are no heavy duty knives after all, so one shouldn't pick and hack with the blade to begin with. But let's compare the Wenger EvoGrip S17 to its Victorinox counterpart, the Huntsman. Unfortunately, I don't own a Huntsman, but I own kind of its predecessor, the so-called Woodsman, which features the same tools except for the toothpick and tweezers. First difference after the locking main blade, of course, is the size. The Victorinox is 93 millimeters in length, whereas the Wenger is 85 millimeters. Second difference would be the small blade in the Victorinox. I'm going to show you right here, which is replaced by a small file in the Wenger. This is actually a more useful tool for me than the small blade. Next would be the scissors, which feature a different spring. Get the Victorinox scissors out too. Hope you can see that alright. And the Wenger blades of the scissors are also micro serrated. Check. Focus, focus. Now it does. So you can see the serrations on the blade. The Wenger scissors appear a little more rugged though. Then the wood saw. This is almost the same, except for some minor size differences, and the same goes for the bottle cap opener with the screwdriver. Another major difference is the can opener, which makes a pulling cut in the Wenger version as opposed to a pushing cut in the Victorinox version. The small screwdriver tip is also missing. On the back you find almost similar corkscrews and the well-known awl. where the Wenger version lacks a sewing eye and the sharp edge. As the woodsman does not have toothpick nor tweezers, I take these from my Victorinox Classic SD, as there's no difference to those of the Huntsman. You can see the toothpick and tweezers are a little bit different located in the Wenger. The toothpick is way thinner and thus more flexible. Same goes for the tweezers, but not quite to the same extent. Both tools are shorter than their Victorinox counterparts though. Would I recommend this knife? Probably not if you already own an SAK from Victorinox, because in my opinion there's nothing the Wenger can do better. Plus it's even smaller in size, and for a multi-tool I don't see that as an advantage. I must admit though, the file replacing the small blade, that's a plus for the Wenger, but the lack in size and the locking lever, which can easily get caught up in your pocket or bag, are some significant disadvantages for me. So that's it for today, folks. Thank you very much for watching. Be sure to check out my other videos, and if you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to put out videos on a regular basis. Thanks again, and see you around.